Module 5, Joe Cerrone, Module 5. Today we're going to work on a circular plate using AutoCAD. This module talks about how to use line standards. If you look at the first link, it talks about line standards and layers. We'll be applying those to the view. The line standards that we're talking about are according to a specification by the American Society of Mechanical Engineers. And they'll use these line standards to set up standards for object lines, hidden lines, center lines, and lines of symmetry, as well as section and phantom. In this assignment, we're going to go through and create a drawing of a bolt plate and the side view. In the first video, we already did the basic two-dimensional work, the circular array, and the drawing looks like this. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw the right side view as a section. If you go to the D2L, what you'll see is that the right side view and the solution for it will be worked out. And so what we'll do is we'll project over the bolt pattern and create a section line. So once you have the right side view drawn per the instructions that are given, and here's the instructions, so complete the right side as a section, use your B-form prototype. Text in this note style or in red is not to be. And this title block is a little bit different, but the assignment is essentially this. So what we've done is we've drawn the two-dimensional drawing of the circular bolt, and then we have a layout of the right side view, but it's not complete. Completed, what we'll do is we'll start off by projecting over center lines. So I'm going to switch over to the center line layer. And typically this color is red, so I'm going to change the color and matches the title block. And then I'm going to go and select the line, and I'm going to project over the view using those from the center or the intersection of the 12 o'clock. I'll bring it over, and if I use a polar setting on it, in other words, if I enable polar, it'll be blue when it's on, and I'll get a tracking line. Here's my tracking line. So I'll project it over, and I'll hit escape, and then I'll do the same thing 6 o'clock position. I can either wake this position up or I can get the center, fire it, and I'll set that up. Now the bolts are 1/2 inch 20 UNC 2A by 2 inches long. What that means is the diameter of the bolt is 1/2 inch, is 20 threads per inch according to unified natural force, and then 2A means it's an external threaded piece, and 2 means it's 2 inches long. So this line right here is going to be offset 0.25 to the top and 0.25 to the bottom for the size of the hole. So I'm going to offset, specify the distance, 0.25, select the line, side, line, side, and then I'm going to select these, do the same to the top view. I'm just repeating the command by hitting the enter. Values the same. Since this is a section view, these will show its object lines, and so I'm going to use the match properties. I'm going to match this, 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 this. I'm going to trim all the entities. You have to clean these ones up over here afterwards, which is fine. And then I'll also bring these center lines back a reasonable. Now that I've got the holes projected, and you don't have to do every one of them. This will be a revolve section. It's just going to show the top and the bottom holes. I'm going to project over this polygon to the center. So again, I'm going to select line. This time I'm going to just use layer object. I'm going to project it over. My section. I'm going to trim. This time I'm going to say trim. I'm going to select this as my cutting line. This circular feature right here represents this part shown right here. That's going to show as part being cut out or removed from. I'm going to switch over to section line. We'll say with on the hatch layer, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the hatch pattern for ASI 131. What I'll do is I'll come in here, apply that, and I'll hit the close hatch creation. That will give us the side view of the object. We need one line right here that represents the side of this. So I'm going to go and select line command, draw that. I'm going to put that on the layer for object. And then I'm going to create a section line in this view, which will designate that this is a section. To do that, I'll select the hatch layer, and I'll draw a line. And I'll draw that line from 12 o'clock position. I'm just going to track up and bring it down to the part. And I'll bring it over this way. And I usually copy the bottom line just so that they're perfectly even. Draw it again. Then I'll draw an arrowhead on that. Now the phantom line should have a heavy line weight. So if I turn on the line weights, I should be able to see that. I'm not sure if this drawing has line weights. It does not. So I'm going to enable the line weights. Drawings should have a line weight for the object line of 0.5 or 0.6. 0.6. And then the center lines will be 0.3. As well as the hidden lines on the line. For the phantom lines, that should be fairly heavy. So what I'm going to do for the phantom lines is I'm going to go and select that and bump that up to 0.7. Now you can see that nice line weights improve the readability of the drawings. I'm going to draw an arrowhead represent the direction of the cutting line. I'll just draw half of it and I'll mirror it so that they become symmetrical. Just old school construction. And then I'll use the fill pattern in the hatch command. Solid. I'll copy the top arrow to the bottom. And that completes the section view of this circular bolt pattern.